Listen to me. This ain't for the weak and the uncommitted, okay? Listen to me. You don't count how many breaths you take. You don't count it. You get to a point where you don't count it. You just do whatever it takes to get whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna say it again because you gotta catch what I said. You don't count the cost on this one. You don't count the cost on this one. You just do what you gotta do on this one, and then you look back when it's all over and you see the rewards. You look back and you see the accomplishments. You don't count it.
I'm not gonna stop till I'm up in my casket. Obstacles, I run like Forrest, I run right past them. Daily action items like Gallagher, you know I blast them. Lazy competition, knock them out, we ain't bragging. We just tracking, we ain't slacking. Started from the bottom, ain't going back to back then. Had 3 jobs then, I was looking very thin. Working 90 hours a week, that's where I've been. Started from the bottom, man, now I'm on top. Ain't gonna slow down, ain't gonna stop. Eyes on the prize, I'm headed to the top. Locked in, focused, like a missile lock. I ain't stopping, I ain't going. I'm just finding my flow in. I need no Rolex, it's all in focus. Teaching success is all I've ever wanted.
Yeah, never stopping, never slowing. I'm here to do whatever it takes.
I take those shots and make what I make. I got 10,000 left in the tank.
Doesn't matter how many shots you miss. Every lesson learned is one step closer to the win. So raise your hands, lift them up high. Do whatever it takes to the day
I die, yeah.
And even then I'll fly. Whatever it takes,
I won't bend or break. I'll stand bold and fake.
How many times I wanted to quit but came back again. Questioned my decisions but I kept it pushing ahead.
I kept my foot on the gas, pedal to the metal.
Devil wants my mental distracted, my spirit unsettled. Lord forgive me for times I look backwards, I lack words. I can't change the past but I can alter the present. Like make an altar before God and dwell in his presence. An altar of hope, keep my eyes looking ahead. A wise man trades his plans for God's instead. A beautiful future if we're Holy Spirit led. Ooh, never stopping, never slowing. I'm here to do whatever it takes.
I'll take those shots and make what I make. I got 10,000 left in the tank.
Doesn't matter how many shots you miss. Every lesson learned is one step closer to the win. So
raise your hands, lift them up high.
I'll do whatever it takes
till the day I die.
Yeah, and even then I'll fly.
Come on! Yeah. Full press like Phil Pressey, life is messy. Push past that messy middle and you'll get confetti. Keep learning meant to show up when you're ready. Keep steady through the lift, life is heavy. Cut through distractions like machetes. We all got crazy people around us, cousin Eddies. But this ain't Griswold, success is your fault. Put in the work and prepare to catapult.
Ooh, never stopping, never slowing. I'm here to do whatever it takes.
I'll take those shots and make what I make. I got 10,000 left in the tank.
Doesn't matter how many shots you miss. Every lesson learned is one step closer to the win. So
raise your hands, lift them up high.
I'll do whatever it takes
till the day I die,
yeah. And even then I'll fly.
There's so many people, including me, who literally look at college for their kids, and that. I mean, you have to debate whether or not it's just a total waste of time and money. It's so many of the people I graduated with, as I said before, and not be able to calculate a mortgage, not be able to calculate a car payment. Like, so many of the life skills aren't being taught. And that to me is deeply depressing, right? Let alone go to liberal arts college where they're teaching you basket weaving 101 and you come out, $300,000 in debt, and you can never dig your way out from under that debt. And so I think the whole system has to be shooken up in a big way. That's not fair when a school actually teaches them no tangible skills, but kind of dupes them saying that they're going to come out with the greatest careers, right? And so, I think at some point you need to reprioritize, true skills and skills that matter, and skills that you can ultimately monetize.
My name is Kevin Thomas, and the name of our company is MultiClean. We are a commercial janitorial service, and we serve the entire state of Oklahoma and Kansas and soon to be Arkansas. We have probably grown 5 times. We've added, I think when we first started with you, we had 60 to 65 employees. And now we have a little over 300 employees. Before we got involved with Thrivetime, we didn't really have any systems or processes in place. So I've probably been to, in 6-7 years, I've probably been to 12 to 13 business conferences. And amazingly, each time I go, I learn something new, and I'm so excited to bring it back and show the team about marketing and how to implement.
Okay, Aaron Antis, September 25th and 26th. Guess who's coming back to Tulsa? I will give you a hint. His first name is Eric, and his last name is Trump. Whoa. And his father is the 47th president of these United States. Yes, Eric Trump is joining us once again here September 25th and 26th in Tulsa, Oklahoma for the two-day interactive Thrivetime Show Business Growth Workshop. But Eric Trump is bringing friends. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Alina Habba will be joining Eric Trump right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Amanda Grace will be in the place. Dr. Stella Emanuel will be here in T-Town in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Julie Green will be on the scene. Mel K will be here to say hey. Dave Scarlett from the His Glory team will be here. It's going to be a blasty blast right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. If you want to start or grow a super successful company, if you want to make your wallet great again or make your wallet great for the first time, if you want to learn marketing, systems, scaling, human resources, accounting, social media, branding, search engine optimization, sales training, financial management, and more, get your tickets right now at thrivetimeshow.com. Once again, that's thrivetimeshow.com. People don't know this, but the Trump organization has thousands of employees. There's not 50 employees. The Trump organization, again, most people don't know this, but the Trump organization has thousands of employees. And while Donald J. Trump was the 45th president of these United States, he needed a competent man to run and execute his business plans.
Showtime!
So the man that runs the Trump organization for Donald J. Trump, as he was the 45th president of the United States and now the 47th president of the United States, is Eric Trump. And so Eric Trump is here to talk about time management, promoting from within, marketing, branding, quality control, sales systems, workflow design, workflow mapping, how to build. I mean, everything that you see, the Trump hotels, the Trump golf courses, all their products, the man who manages billions of dollars of real estate and thousands of employees is here to teach us how to do it.
You are talking about one of the greatest brands on the planet from a business standpoint.
Right.
I mean, who else has been able to create a brand like the Trump brand? I mean, look at it. And this is the man behind the business for the last pretty much since 2015. He's been the man behind it. So you're talking, we're into 9 going into 10 years of him running it, and we get to tap into that knowledge. That's going to be amazing.
Now, think about this for a second.
But that Clay Clark, man, he is one character.
It's a good word for him, character. Yeah, that is it.
Good, driven, smart. And I've never met a guy who was so hyper all the time. He's doing so much good. And then I met his mother, and she just says, she just lets him be Clay Clark. I mean, so he's endorsed by his mother, and he's doing magnificent work. So it was great meeting you out there and all the people that he surrounds himself with. Clay Clark starts his days at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, it's incredible. Yeah, he's a machine. He's a machine.
Yeah. But I have problems with my company starting at 9 o'clock. Yes, hundreds of people showing up at 5 a.m. in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Man, he's a leader of a leader. He's a fantastic young man.
No, he is.
The lineup continues to grow, and this is how we do our tickets here at the Thrivetime Show. If you want to get a VIP ticket, you can absolutely do it. It's $500 for a VIP ticket. We've always done it that way. Now, if you want to take a general admission ticket, it's $250 or whatever price you want to pay. And the reason why I do that, and the reason why we do that is because we want to make our events affordable for everybody. I grew up without money. I totally understand what it's like to be the tight spot. So if you want to attend, it's $250 or whatever price you want to pay. That's how I do it. And it's $500 for a VIP ticket. Now, we only have limited seating here. With the most people we've ever had in this building was for the Jim Brewer presentation. Jim Brewer came here, the legendary comedian Jim Brewer came to Tulsa, and we had 419 people that were here. 419 people.
Yeah.
And I thought to myself, there's no more room. I felt kind of bad that a couple people had VIP seats in the men's restroom. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. But I thought, you know what? We should probably add on.
Clay Clark is here somewhere. Where's my buddy Clay? Clay's the greatest. I met his goats today. I met his dogs. I met his chickens. I saw his compound. He's like the greatest guy.
I ran from his goats, his chickens, his dogs.
So this guy's like the greatest marketer you've ever seen, right? His entire life, Clay Clark, his entire life is marketing.
So again, if you want to get tickets for this event, all you have to do is go to thrivetimeshow.com, Go to thrivetimeshow.com. When you go to thrivetimeshow.com, you'll go there, you'll request a ticket, boom. Or if you want to text me, if you want a little bit faster service, you say, I want you to call me right now. Just text my number. It's my cell phone number, my personal cell phone number. We'll keep that private between you, me, everybody. We'll keep that private. In anybody. Don't share that with anybody except for everybody. That's my private cell phone number. It's 918-851-0102. 918-851-0102. I know we have a lot of Spanish-speaking people that attend these conferences, and to be bilingually sensitive, my cell phone number is 918-851-0102.